Do you know you can quickly access your copied items on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? You can use the clipboard panel on Edge panel. Let me show you how to do so. First, swipe the Edge panel handle toward the center of the screen to open it. Then go to the clipboard panel. If you don't see the clipboard panel, tap the settings icon next to the panel, tap panels, and make sure to enable clipboard panel here. Now let's try it. Open an app like Note. Open the clipboard panel on the Edge panel. Here you will see your recently copied items. Drag an item from the clipboard panel into the app to paste it. Each item also has a copy button which lets you copy it again. At the bottom, you can tap clear to remove all items. And that's how you use the clipboard panel on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.